1, 2 swipes and you're done. This is the lipstick for everyone. We're taking you behind the scenes to show you how Glossier's new Generation G lipstick is made. Our story begins when raw materials are precisely measured and poured out into a large basin. A nourishing blend of sunflower seed and synthetic beeswax are added until they melt down together to form a creamy base. Soft blurring powders are added to create the silky, cushiony texture and blotted matte finish. A lychee rose fragrance is then added, giving the blend a heavenly floral aroma. These ingredients are mixed for 3 to 5 hours to form the perfect consistency. During this process, the base remains heated to ensure that all ingredients are being mixed together smoothly and seamlessly. While that batch heats up, let's see where Generation G gets its smooth, even formula for application. Here, silicones and emollient gels are mixed together, binding the liquids in the formula to the wax base. This combination creates the film formers, which work to lock color into place, resulting in even, long-lasting wear. Now that the ingredients are finally finished mixing, it's time to add color. Based on the shade, between 4 to 6 pigments are combined to create any one of the 6 Generation G colors. Pigments like red, yellow, and blue are weighed out precisely and added to the mixture. The batter journeys on through a giant roller where it kneads the pigments into one creamy mix. This allows for the product to have an even dispersion of color. The formula is poured into metal canister hoppers and then into an automatic processor machine where it warms up so that the mix can be easily distributed. Similarly, the mixture is poured into silicone molded lipstick bullets and the excess is scraped off. One final swatch test ensures that the product is the right pigment and consistency. The materials get placed on trays and are transported through a process of refrigeration for 15 minutes. The products are now placed in new and improved rounded components. These new, larger diameter bullets are stronger and allow for easy, one-swipe application. Almost done. On to the grand finale, the product passes one final inspection. Bullets that didn't make the cut will be remelted for a second shot. The Generation G lipstick gets the final cherry on top, the label, and is now ready to be sent off to the world. Thanks so much for watching Refinery29. Click here for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe.